Hey friends, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be opening up some Series 4 Mini Brands Fashion capsules. I'm super excited to see what's inside and what we got our Barbies. Here is the collector's guide. And the back of the guide first is the purse. Opens up. This is the inside. This is what the outside looks like. The front and back. The bottom has these little details. It's really cute. I forgot what pattern this is. I believe it's a herringbone pattern, but I'm not sure. We got a little dog. A pair of silver sneakers that are really cute. Last is this little ankle bracelet. Let's open up the second ball. So of course we have the other guide. Oh wow, this one's really pretty. Opens up and it has a magnet enclosure. You can put things inside. Right now it's just tissue. And it looks like it can fit a Barbie. So let's grab one. Here is Evie showing you the purse and what it looks like to scale down to a Barbie. I think it's a great fit. It looks really pretty. So the purse looks like it could be an iridescent type of vinyl. It's very, very pretty. I need to do a little bit better job of styling this for her. So let's see if I can fix this up a little bit. It does open up on the inside. You can put Barbie accessories in there. And it has a magnetic closure. It's very pretty. Does it have a strap inside? It doesn't come with anything else inside, but we'll open up the rest of the packaging and see what else is here for the dolls. Oh, it looks like we have another pair of sneakers. Very cute with the super long laces. The sneakers are a little bit big on the Barbie, but they do make a cute little addition. Maybe this would be perfect fit with a pair of socks, but on their own they're a little bit loose, as you can see here. I was able to tie the laces, and I'm going to be trimming off the excess because it feels like it's a little too long to have these really, really long laces. So when you do tie them, whatever extra lace pieces you have sticking out, you can definitely trim them down. Oh wow, it came with a little set of keys. That's adorable. It also came with this lemon key charm that does open. The keys do fit Barbie's hand. And although the purse charm doesn't really match the purse, in my opinion, it's still a really cute addition if you want to add it to the purse. Here is the second pair of sneakers, the silver ones. Again, the laces are a little long, so you'll have to trim them down, but I think they're a good fit. They're a little loose, just like the first pair, but I'm pretty sure with the right outfit, maybe some socks, it'll be a good fit for Barbie to wear and kind of model and pose with. This mini brand collection was really cute. It was my first set of Series 4. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Was this something that you're looking forward to having for your dolls, or just in general collecting? I do like the sneakers. I think they will make a great addition to the dolls. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and also hype this video so I'll know to keep making this type of video for you, which I truly enjoy making. The notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, friends, be safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!